పోతినేని లేటెస్ట్ మూవీ రెడ్. ఇక ఈ మూవీ తమిళ్లో తడం మూవీగా వచ్చిన తడం మూవీకి ఆఫీషియల్ రీమేక్గా వచ్చింది. ఇక ఈ ఆఫీషియల్ రీమేక్ తెలుగులో రెడ్గా రీమేక్ అయింది. ఇక ఈ మూవీలో మనతో పాటు ఉన్నారు మాలవిక శర్మ. సో మాలవిక శర్మతో మాట్లాడి ఆ మూవీ డీటెయిల్స్ గురించి తెలుసుకుందాం. హలో మాలవిక.
హలో.
హౌ యూ?
ఐమ్ గుడ్. హౌ ఆర్ యూ?
సో ఎలా ఉంది? ఐఎమ్ గుడ్. సో ఎలా ఉంది రెడ్ మూవీలో యాక్ట్ చేయడం?
Amazing experience. I mean, it's a privilege to be part of a good film, and I'm really glad that I'm part of this film.
Okay.
The working experience have been really amazing, and I think my performance and this role has enhanced me as an actor.
ఓకే, రెడ్ మూవీలో మీకు ఆపర్చునిటీ ఎలా వచ్చింది?
Our producer Ravi Kishore sir, he texted me on WhatsApp that, you know, where are you, and like, what's up with you, just like that. And then I was like, I'm in Mumbai, but then I'm coming to Hyderabad next week. So he's like, yeah, and we are casting for this film, so you know, come by the office. And I came to the office and I met Kishore sir, and Kishore sir narrated me the story.
ఓకే.
And I think that was that, like, that's when I decided that acha, I have to be a part of this film. I mean, you know, when I was getting the narration, and the narration wasn't even completed, like in the middle of the narration, I was like, I have to be a part of this film. I loved the story. And yeah.
ఓకే, మెయిన్గా మీకు స్టోరీలో ఏం నచ్చింది? స్టోరీలో చెప్పగానే
What is in the story?
యా,
You're asking me what is in the story? How can
స్టోరీలో మెయిన్గా మీకు ఏ పాయింట్ నచ్చింది మీకు?
If I tell you what is in the story, what's the point of watching the film then?
అలానే కాదు. సో మెయిన్గా మీరు ఇప్పుడు ఈ రెడ్ మూవీ ఓకే చేశారు. సో మెయిన్గా ఏ ఎలిమెంట్ మీకు ఎక్కువ బాగా నచ్చింది? లైక్ మీ క్యారెక్టర్
element I like. So you know, with Red, when I was getting the narration also, I felt ki this is the kind of film which I would love to watch in theaters. So if I would love to watch it in theater, I mean, it would be my pleasure to play such a character, because I loved it. I loved the narration and my character, especially my character. And I just felt that even though it's a thriller, but the love track, it's very sweet, it's very cute, and it's very real. So, and Kishore sir told me that it's a very performance oriented role.
సో మీకు రామ్ గారితో ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్, వర్కింగ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఎలా ఉంది?
It was amazing working with him. I mean, he's a really energetic person, and he's an amazing actor. I got to learn a lot from him, as you know, I'm still a newcomer, and got to learn a lot. Like, as in, I have just watched in interviews how actors say ki, you know, they have done their homework or the thought process behind the character, or their hard work, what they go through. But I have never seen that in person, and that's what I've seen Ram doing it during this film with this character, because he's playing two characters, Aditya and Siddharth. So I was filming with one of the characters, that is Siddharth. And one thing about him is he's not Ram on set. I mean, he's the character on set. Okay. So when I used to shoot with Siddharth, he is Siddharth on set. He will be like Siddharth. Okay. The entire day. And if he's in that Aditya wala character, he'll be Aditya. The way he speaks to you, even after the take, I mean, okay, he'll still be in the character. That's what I feel. And I still remember that we had a scene in Vizag, and like, I had a really lengthy emotional scene. It was a very beautiful emotional scene, so I had to practice my lines before the take. And then one day earlier, I went on the sets, and at that time Ram was shooting, and he was in that Aditya wala character, and that's the first time I saw him in that character. And I just saw a completely different person. The vibe, the body language, everything was about him was very different. So that's something that I've noticed, that acha, you know, he is not Ram on set, he is actually the character.
ఈ మూవీలో రామ్ 2 క్యారెక్టర్స్ ప్లే చేశారని కదా, 2 క్యారెక్టర్స్లో మీరు యాక్ట్ చేస్తారా లేదా 1 క్యారెక్టర్తోనా?
I acted with one.
ఓకే. సో ఎలా ఉంది షూటింగ్లో అందరితో వర్క్ చేయడం? ఎట్లా అనిపించింది? ఎక్కడెక్కడ వర్క్ చేశారు? ఐ మీన్ షూటింగ్ లొకేషన్స్లో ఎలా ఉంది?
We shot in Hyderabad, and a lot of our portion was shot in Goa and Vizag. Okay. And Italy. Okay. Italy, like, you know, we went to Florence, Venice, all the carnivals and everything.
Okay. Memorable incident ఏమైనా ఉందా ఈ షూటింగ్లో?
Everything is memorable. Everything is memorable. I mean, loved it and enjoyed working for this film. So everything is memorable.
ఓకే. సో మీరు ఫస్ట్ మూవీ నేల టికెట్ తీశారు. సో నెక్స్ట్ నేల టికెట్ తర్వాత సెకండ్ మూవీకి ఇంత గ్యాప్ వచ్చింది. సో అదర్ లాంగ్వేజెస్లో ఏమైనా బిజీ ఉన్నారా ఈ గ్యాప్లో?
Actually, I'm a lawyer, and I was studying. Like when I started doing this film, Nela Ticket also, at that time I just got into my first year of law. And in the meanwhile, I was doing my internship and I was still studying. And just now, last month, I completed my LLB degree, and I'm a member of a bar now. So it's not like I was sitting idle at home. No, I was still working. I was still doing my internship. And now I have given my exams for masters and everything, so I'm going for LLM. So it's not like I was just sitting idle at home. And I was really looking for a good script. I am not someone who just wants to work and ki haan theek hai chalo I'll do this also, I'll do that also. No, if I really want to play that character, and if it really excites me, then yes, then I'll be like acha theek hai, yes.
సో అచ్చా చూజీగా చూస్ చేసుకుంటున్నారు ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ అనేవి?
Sorry,
చూజీగా చేస్తున్నారా? ఐ మీన్ మూవీస్
choosy. Yes, I am very choosy because after Nela Ticket also, I have heard a lot of scripts. I have learned lot, as in really lot of scripts. And I just didn't feel, because I was still studying, so just didn't feel ki this is something at that time, when I'm listening to the scripts ki nahi, this is not something that I would want to give so much time and efforts into, because it's a lot of multitasking when you're studying and you're working. So I wanted it to be worth it. And with this film, if I'm putting so much effort and if I'm doing so much multitasking, it should be worth it. It should be worth my effort, and I should be happy doing it. I shouldn't be doing it just because I want to do it, just because people are waiting ki haan she has not signed anything. No, it was never for me like that, and I was never desperate ki nahi I want to sign something. Nahi, I'll sign something at the right time, and when I get the right script, and that is the same thing which I have now also. I mean, in the meanwhile, I have done a lot of commercials. Last year I did Nescafe and Malabar Gold and Dettol. So I've been working.
సో 2020 వెళ్ళిపోయింది. సో ఎలాంటి ఎక్స్పీరియన్సెస్ ఉంది 2020లో?
2020, I mean, the lockdown was, we were shooting in the month of January and February, so it was really amazing. We were in Italy. After that, the lockdown happened, so first 3 months was really boring. After that, I had my college assignments and exams and everything, so I was just studying. And so I think 2020, the end of 2020 was really beautiful for me, because I became a lawyer.
రిజల్యూషన్ ఏం తీసుకున్నారు ఈ న్యూ ఇయర్కి?
My New Year resolution is that I just want to become a better version of myself. That's what I feel, and I just want to focus on my health and just on myself. Just want to work on myself.
Okay, tell about your director Kishore garu.
Kishore sir is the sweetest person. I mean, he's really shy though. I mean, he's very shy, and my performance, I mean, in this film, whatever I have done is all because of Kishore sir. I wouldn't have performed the way I did if it wasn't for him. He is someone who gave me a proper description of how the character is, and it was just his instructions and my efforts, and he has been really patient with me. I mean, because I'm a newcomer, and he understands that. He has been really patient with me, and this was the first time that I'm portraying someone else. I mean, in my first film I was just being myself, because that was the character, and this film I was playing a different character, and he explained me about how the character is, and about her feelings, about her background and everything. So I mean, whatever I have performed, whatever I've done is all because of Kishore sir. It's like literally his instructions that I've followed.
ఓకే, ఎలా ట్రీట్ చేసేవాళ్ళు, ఎలా ఉండేవాళ్ళు సెట్లో అందరూ మీతో?
All the co-actors, I have only worked with Ram.
ఓకే, అండ్ హీరోయిన్స్, అదర్ హీరోయిన్స్?
No, unfortunately not. I mean, I wish I had screen space with Nivedita or Amrita, but
Okay.
I don't.
ఓకే, మెయిన్గా ఈ మూవీలో ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఏమున్నాయి రెడ్ మూవీలో?
Interesting elements. Everything about this film is really interesting.
Okay.
And one of the elements is Ram itself. I mean, he is in dual role.
Okay.
What more do you want? And the story, the plot, the love track, everything is amazing. And all the women characters in this film are written really well. They are very strong. and women characters, as in, you know, Nivita's character, it's very strong, very well defined. Amrita's character, my character, and I'm not talking about the screen space. I'm just talking about, you know, how strong it is that it will leave a impact on the audience.
ఓకే, మీకు ఏమైనా డైలాగ్స్ గుర్తున్నాయా మూవీలోవి?
I just remember one line that was the do cheyadam start చేసేసావా.
ఓకే, ఇంకా ఈ మూవీ మ్యూజిక్ గురించి చెప్పండి.
I love the music, I love the songs, and I love my song also.
యా, నువ్వే నువ్వే
Nuvve
సాంగ్
Nuvve.
చాలా ఫేమస్ అయింది, చాలా బాగుంది కూడా మ్యూజిక్. దానికి రెస్పాన్స్ ఎలా ఉంది?
Response, I mean,
ఆ సాంగ్కి అయితే రెస్పాన్స్ చాలా ఉంది. సో మీరు ఏమైనా పాడగలరా 2 lines ఏమన్నా? అట్లీస్ట్ 1 line.
I have been giving interviews from 4 days. Spare me. I can't really sing. I'm a really bad singer, and no, I wouldn't do that. But yeah, I love the songs, and you know, this Dhinchak song also, I loved it, and Heba is also looking so beautiful in the song. So yes, I love the songs.
ఓకే, ఫైన్గా చెప్పండి, ఇక మీ ఫేవరెట్ యాక్టర్ ఎవరు?
Favorite actor?
యా,
My favorite actor is Shah Rukh Khan.
షారుఖ్ ఖాన్. సో తెలుగు ఇండస్ట్రీలో ఎవరితో వర్క్ చేయాలని ఉంది మీకు?
Whom do I want to
Yeah.
work with? I want to work with everyone. I mean, I want to work with Prabhas sir, Allu Arjun sir, Junior NTR sir, Ram Charan sir, everyone. Like everyone I want to work with.
సో ఇంకా మీ ఫ్యూచర్ డీటెయిల్స్ ఏంటి? ఐ మీన్ ఫ్యూచర్ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ గురించి.
Future, I'm doing something in like this year. I'll be doing something in Tamil industry. As of Telugu, I'm still hearing scripts, so you will know when I sign something.
ఓకే, ఓన్లీ తెలుగులోనేనా, అదర్ లాంగ్వేజెస్లో కూడా చేయడానికి ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉందా?
I'm interested to act in any language, and I don't have like a thing ki nahi, this is the language I want to work at. Nahi, I'm open to working in any language, and I just want to work. I just want to act in good films, and I just want to be a part of good films. I think
Okay.
you know, just being a part of a good film is in itself is a privilege. So that's something that I look forward to, because I'm an actor and that's what I want to do.
ఓకే, లైక్ మీకోసం మాకు కొన్ని ర్యాపిడ్ ఫైర్ ఉన్నాయి, సో అడగొచ్చా? యా, రైట్. సో ఇప్పటి వరకు మీరు లైఫ్లో ఎవరికి చెప్పిన ఒక పెద్ద సీక్రెట్ ఏమైనా ఉందా?
You have to use little bit of English, and I don't understand Telugu really well.
ఎనీ సీక్రెట్?
Any secret?
యా, బిగ్ సీక్రెట్ యూ డోంట్ టెల్ టు అదర్స్.
I think I'm an open book. I mean, everyone who's around me knows everything about me. I'm an open book.
ఎవరివన్ కెన్ రీడ్ ఇట్.
Yeah, I mean, you know, weird thing about Kishore sir. Are you gonna interview him? So when you ask him this, he is someone who can, you know, read your face. I mean, whenever I sit with him and I have a conversation with him, he'll know exactly what I'm thinking. He'll know it. Like, he'll say, "Okay, this is what you're thinking." And I'm like, "Sir, how do you know this?" He's like, "I know." That is something, like, you know, he does. That is a really interesting thing. Yeah.
వాట్స్ యువర్ ఫేవరెట్ మూవీ?
Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge.
హౌ మెనీ టైమ్స్ యూ వాచ్డ్ ఇట్?
Lot of times, more than 20.
వాట్స్ యువర్ ఫస్ట్ క్రష్?
Shah Rukh Khan is our first.
షారుఖ్ ఖాన్. పెయిన్ఫుల్ థింగ్ ఏదన్నా ఇన్ యువర్ లైఫ్, వెరీ పెయిన్ఫుల్ థింగ్?
Very painful thing in my life. So last year my grandmother passed away. So I think that's the painful thing.
ఓకే, హూ ఇస్ యువర్ రోల్ మోడల్?
Priyanka Chopra.
ప్రియాంక చోప్రా. మెయిన్గా వాట్స్ యువర్ అంబిషన్? యాక్టర్ ఆర్ లాయర్ ఆర్ సంథింగ్? వాట్?
Both, and my ambition can be more than that also. It's not like I am gonna be in these two professions. Maybe I'll be doing a lot of things in near future.
విచ్ వన్ ఈజ్ యూ ప్రిఫర్, కాలింగ్ ఆర్ టెక్స్టింగ్?
Calling, I think. I don't like to text, and I get very irritated, and I don't like to be on phone a long time. Like, I feel so irritated that I think in like every month I take me time for 2 to 3 days and I don't use my phone, and I go off WhatsApp. Like right now I'm off WhatsApp. So I go off WhatsApp, and I just don't like to be on phone all the time. I mean, if you want to talk to me, you just come here and, you know, talk to me in person. I don't like to be on phone all the time.
In your school age, what's your nickname?
My nickname is Mals. My family calls me Mallo, and yeah, Mal.
Who is your celebrity crush?
As I said, Shah Rukh Khan, and other than that, I think Siddharth Malhotra.
Okay. In Telugu?
Crush. Yeah, you don't ask me such tricky questions. I mean, even if I want to, I won't say. No.
Okay. Which one you believe, hard work or smart work?
I think both are really important.
Okay.
Both matlab, yeah, both are really important.
Which one is scary?
Which one is scaring?
Yeah.
Scaring? Lizard. Yeah.
Which season you like?
Depends on where I am or in which state I am.
Okay.
I mean, I never stay in a particular state for a long time. So depends on where I am.
Okay. Which one you like? Traveling or walking?
Traveling. I love traveling. I love traveling.
సో నేను కొన్ని నేమ్స్ చెప్తాను, ఆ నేమ్స్ చెప్పగానే వాళ్ళంటే ఏంటో మీరు చెప్పాలి. తెలుగు హీరోస్ నేమ్స్ ఇన్ వన్ వర్డ్. చిరంజీవి.
I have a lot of respect for him. So yeah.
మహేష్ బాబు.
Mahesh Babu is very cute.
జూనియర్ ఎన్టీఆర్.
Junior NTR, great dancer.
ప్రభాస్.
Prabhas, great actor.
రామ్ చరణ్.
I have watched Zanjeer movie, so I think I found him really hot in that film.
ఓకే. అల్లు అర్జున్.
Allu Arjun, so stylish.
ఓకే. రామ్.
Ram, energetic. But one thing about Ram is very smart. He's really, really smart.
ఓకే. వాట్స్ యువర్ డ్రీమ్ రోల్?
What's my dream role? I don't think I have a dream role as such. I mean, whatever excites me and whatever, you know, it comes to me ki acha theek hai, this is the role I want to do and this is something that I would want to do. This is something I would love to watch in theaters.
తెలుగు ఇండస్ట్రీలో వర్క్ చేయడం ఎలా ఉంది?
It's nice. People are really sweet here and they are really caring and they are really welcoming. I mean, when you are coming from a different state and your culture is very different. I'm from Mumbai. The culture, the way we dress, the way we talk, everything is very different there. So coming here, I think people are really welcoming here. They're very sweet.
ఓకే. సో మెయిన్గా మూవీలో ఎలాంటి ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఉండబోతున్నాయి? మూవీ మొత్తం రివీల్ చేయొద్దు, మెయిన్గా ఎలాంటి ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఉండబోతున్నాయి? లైక్ లవ్, రొమాన్స్, సెంటిమెంట్, లైక్ ఎలాంటి ఎలిమెంట్స్ మెయిన్గా ఉండబోతున్నాయి?
Everything is there in the film.
Everything
is there. I mean, the thriller part and love track, it's beautiful. And I mean, you know, everything is there in this film. Whatever you can ask for.
ఓకే. సో ఈ కరోనా టైం వల్ల అన్ని ఓటీటీలో రిలీజ్ అవుతున్నాయి. సో సంక్రాంతికి మూవీ రిలీజ్ అవ్వకపోతుంది. సో మీ ఫీలింగ్ ఏంటి?
I'm really happy and excited that this film is releasing in theaters and not on OTT. Like, I have nothing against OTT. OTT is a beautiful platform, and I have been watching all the films on OTT. But I mean, you know, it's my film, and I mean, it's our film, and then it's my second film. I would love to watch myself in theaters. So, pretty happy that this happened, and I think our producer Ravi Kishore sir was very determined that this film has to be released in theaters. This content is something that people should watch in theaters, and because of that, I think.
ఫైనలీ ఆడియన్స్కి ఏం చెప్పాలనుకుంటున్నారు?
I think this is a film which is for all type of audience, and this is the complete package film, I can say, and you know, people are gonna enjoy it. And it is releasing after almost a year after this lockdown, and I think people are really waiting for something amazing and you know, a great content. So this is something that is there in Red, and I hope people will go and watch Red in theaters on this Sankranti.
ఓకే, రైట్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
Thank you.
హలో అండి, నేను తరుణ్ భాస్కర్. జిఎస్ ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్స్కి సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. హిట్ ద సబ్స్క్రైబ్ బటన్ నౌ.
Hi, this is Raj Tarun. Please subscribe to GS Entertainment.
హాయ్, దిస్ ఇస్ రఘు కుంజే. ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ జిఎస్ ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్స్.
హలో అండి, నా పేరు ప్రియా వెట్లమణి. ప్లీజ్ లైక్, షేర్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు జిఎస్ ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్.
Hi Andy, this is Rahul Vijay. Please do subscribe to GS Entertainments.